Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. I hope you're all doing well and that you're having an amazing day. And what I'm going to be explaining to you guys in this video is how you can use, or rather put in your promo code for the Wolt food ordering app. So let's get started without any further ado. Now, the way you actually use the promo code, which is of course used to get discounts on either delivery or food items on Wolt, maybe even get some, well, basically free money to add to your deliveries is, well, yeah, that's what they're used for. And the way you use them is the following. Now, I am in the food ordering app on my phone, and I am logged into my account. And if you are logged into your account, what you want to do is to access your account by clicking the profile icon in the bottom right. Once you click on that, this screen will pop up, and you have all of these settings, free quick links, and all these things. And what you want to do to actually input your promo code is, of course, under quick links, the second option, click the enter promo code option. And once you enter it, here you have a referral or a promo code. And once you enter it here, you will have activated your promotional code, and it's used either as a gift card to give you free money or as a promotional offer to deduct some price, some money from your final price from your order, things like that, pretty much just to get food for cheaper, pretty much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you enter it, the blue submit button will pop up and you will be able to click it. As you can see now, I can't click it since I didn't input anything. And once you do, it will be activated and it will show you what and how to do next. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.